Kaibigan, have you ever feel that your goals are just impossible? Like you're stuck in day one forever? James Clear's Atomic Habit is here to save the day and your sanity. The key takeaway of the book: you do not rise to the level of your goals, you fail to the level of your systems. Translation: stop chasing huge changes. Start building small habits that actually last. For example, want to read more books? Start by reading one page a day. Yes, just one. That is how small habits turn into massive success over time. So, what one small habit can you start today? Drop it in the comment section. Together, let us level up one small habit at a time. For more business and personal improvement tips, follow me.